Hi, I'm Julie Morgan and I'm on site here at the Sceniq Bilambil Heights. Let me introduce you to Lot 26, Premium Corner Homesite, which enjoys spectacular ocean views towards the east. Lot 26 is a generous 709 square metres with a 17 metre frontage along with a 28 metre second frontage. Sceniq is surrounded by nature and amenity, being just 10 minutes to the beach, 6 minutes to the M1 motorway and close to the shops, schools and much more. Give me a call or an email today if you're interested in inspecting or securing Lot 26. This completed home site is ready to settle.